You know, people think becoming social is this big, complicated thing. Like you need confidence, charm, perfect timing, or some magical extrovert energy. But honestly, becoming social is way easier than you think. Way easier. And I'm going to prove it to you today. Just stay with me till the end, because the thing I'll tell you later might fix your social life permanently. Before we start, if you're someone who wants to break out of shyness and finally talk to people without fear, just tap the like button real quick. It helps the channel a lot, and it keeps me motivated to make more for you. Okay, let's talk. The first thing you need to understand is this. You're not actually shy. You're not awkward. Your brain is just protecting you. Seriously. Your brain sees social situations like a dark street at night. Unknown, unpredictable, maybe dangerous. So it shuts you down. It's not your personality that's the problem. It's unfamiliarity. And the moment something becomes familiar, it stops being scary. Think about your close friend. You talk to them easily, right? Why? Not because you're confident, but because your brain knows exactly what to expect. Now here's a little open loop for you. In a few minutes, I'm going to give you a stupidly simple method to make every conversation feel as familiar as your best friend. But first, we need to break a myth. You've probably been told that social skills require big, bold conversations, like you need to walk into a room and impress everyone with your personality. Nope, not even close. The real trick is way smaller than that. It's called micro-social wins. These are tiny moments you practice every day. Super small, super simple, zero pressure. Like saying, "Hey, how's it going?" to the cashier. Or making eye contact and smiling at someone walking by. Or telling a coworker, "Hope your morning's good." You're not trying to impress anyone. You're just training your brain to stop panicking, one tiny win at a time. By the way, if you're still watching, I love you for that. Drop a quick comment saying, "I'm learning," so I know you're with me. All right, now listen closely, because this next part is the cheat code to sounding social without forcing anything. 4 tiny moves. That's it. And if you practice them, you will start sounding naturally social, even if you're nervous inside. Here they are. Number 1, notice something. Anything. People think conversation starts with big ideas. No, it starts with what's already in front of you. Someone's jacket, the weather, the place you're in, their energy. You can literally say, "That's a cool bag," or "This line is taking forever," or "You seem very focused today." Super simple, super natural. Number 2, add a tiny opinion, just a small drop of personality, like, "That's a cool bag. I like simple designs," or "This line is taking forever. I didn't expect it today." Doesn't matter what you say, just say something small that makes you sound alive. Number 3, ask a light question. Not deep, not personal, just light. Where'd you get it? Have you been here before? What are you working on? Light questions open doors. Heavy questions close them. And number 4, mirror their energy. Not copy, mirror. If they talk slow, you slow down. If they talk softly, you soften up. If they're energetic, you loosen up. Humans connect with people who feel like them. It tells their brain, this person is safe. Now let me open another loop here. In a minute, I'll tell you the most powerful rule of all. The rule that destroys hesitation completely. But stay with me. Right now, I want you to understand something important. Most of your awkwardness doesn't come from what you say. It comes from the delay before you say it. You see someone with a shirt you like. Your brain goes, say something. But then you wait, and boom, overthinking hits. What if they don't care? What if I sound weird? And you give up. So here's the rule that will save your life. The 3-second rule. If you think of saying something, do it within 3 seconds. Because after 3 seconds, your brain turns into your enemy. Social anxiety doesn't attack instantly. It attacks slowly. Kill the delay, and you kill the fear. Now let me tell you a quick story. My friend, let's call him Dan, was convinced he was socially broken, hated talking to strangers, couldn't even order food confidently. So I told him the same micro steps I'm telling you. Small wins, light questions, 3-second rule. And guess what? Within a month, he became the guy who greets the barista, chats with coworkers, and starts conversations like it's nothing. He told me something powerful. I stopped trying to be confident. I just started doing small things. And that's exactly what transformation looks like. Now, let's close the loop I opened earlier. Remember I said I'd tell you how to make every conversation feel familiar, even with strangers? Here it is. Stop trying to be interesting. Start being interested. People love talking about themselves. You don't need to impress them. You just need to guide them. Ask a light question. React. Add a small emotion. Ask another tiny question. That's it. You're not performing, you're navigating. And when people feel heard, they automatically like you. Here's the funny part no one tells you. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need perfect jokes. You don't need the perfect words. You just need energy that says, I'm open. Because humans feel energy before they hear words. So try this. Keep your shoulders open, relax your jaw, breathe slower, walk like you know where you're going, stand like the room belongs to you. When your body opens up, people open up to you. And look, I know you want to be more social, to talk without fear, to stop overthinking, to finally feel normal in conversations. And you can, you really can. You just have to stop expecting a big transformation overnight. It's not one big leap. It's small steps done repeatedly. Micro wins, light questions, 3-second rule, mirroring, open posture, tiny comments, tiny moments. That's what builds the new you. If you reach this far, you're already different from most people. Most people never try to improve. But you're here, you're learning, you're growing. And if you want more videos that make you sharper, more confident, and more productive, then hey, do me a favor before you scroll. Tap the like button, drop a quick comment, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Stay growing, stay social, you got this.
Good morning. Cool back.
This line is taking forever.
You seem focused today.
That's a cool bag. I like simple designs.